Thinking of starting a landscaping business in Malaysia? This growing industry is perfect for entrepreneurs with a passion for design, nature, and outdoor spaces. Malaysia's demand for landscaping is booming, from residential homes to commercial properties, resorts, and public parks. People are willing to invest in creating beautiful, functional outdoor environments. First, register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. This makes your landscaping business legal and ready to serve clients. Next, check if your projects require local authority permits, especially for large-scale construction or water features. Invest in design tools and build a strong portfolio. Clients love to see samples of your creativity. Don't forget your team and equipment, from lawnmowers and trimmers to professional landscaping tools. Finally, market your services online and offline. Social media, before and after photos, and client referrals can grow your reputation fast. With dedication and smart planning, you can turn your landscaping passion into a thriving business. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia for expert guidance on starting your business in Malaysia.